In this lesson, we're going to substitute into a system to see if values determine a solution. So we've got the two equations, and we want to know, does -8 and -10 solve that system? So we take our calculator, and let's try the first one. -8 times, it says x is -8, minus 2 times -10. What do we get? We get 84. So it works for the first equation. Let's go to the second equation. -6 times -8 minus 10 times -10, and we get 148, so it works for the second equation. Since both equations are true, that is the solution for the system of equations. Let's look at the next one. We're looking if the point -1/9 works for this equation, this system of equations. So we take 10 times -1 minus 8 times 9, and we get -82. As soon as one equation we don't get the right answer, it will not be a system. Doesn't matter if the other one does work. So we can stop right there. The other way that you can solve these systems is that your calculator has a way to solve systems of two equations. It's using the number 5, so I pressed mode 5 equations. And we want to use the first one because that'll give us an x, a y, and a constant term. So let's do number 1, and we just fill in the coefficients. -8, -8, -2, and 84. So those are my coefficients for the first equation. -8, -2, 84. Now my second equation is -6, -10, -10, and 148. When I press enter after I've got the 148 in, it tells me that x is -8 and y is -10. So that does show that our system works. Let's do it again for the second one. It's number 5, 1, 10, -8, and 98, -5, and 9, and -54, and it tells us x is 9, y is -1. So our answer was pretty close. It just had the x and y mixed around. So this is how you do 2.4.b. You can do it either way.